Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube, both on mobile devices and PCs. Let's start with a mobile device. Open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture or icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon, then tap on General. Scroll down and look for the restricted mode option. If it's turned on, you'll see it indicated with a toggle switch. Simply toggle the switch to turn off restricted mode. Now let's move on to turning off restricted mode on PC. Open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. Sign into your YouTube account if you haven't already. Click on the profile image. Within the opened menu, you'll see the restricted mode option. Select it. If it's currently on, you'll see it indicated with a toggle switch. Click on the toggle switch to turn off restricted mode. And that's it. You've successfully turned off restricted mode on both mobile devices and PCs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.